Hey guys, my name is Siddesh Wajala. So recently I did a Q&A on Instagram and one of the persons have asked me a question that सब लोग यही बात करते हैं कि फैट लॉस कैसे करना है, but nobody talks about what do you need to do after you have reached your physique, your goal. So today I'm going to talk about that. So let's say that you have been dieting for a very long period of time. Okay, now you came down from, let's say, from 75 to 65. Okay, let's not talk about the weight, but you have improved your lifestyle completely. Your habits have changed, your lifestyle has changed. आपका सोने का पैटर्न चेंज हो चुका है, आपका खाना खाने का पैटर्न चेंज हो चुका है. Your relationship with food has improved, your water intake has improved, everything has improved on all the levels. Your clothes are fitting you better, the strength levels at the gym that you're working out or any kind of activity that you're doing has gone up. The activity levels, let's say that earlier you used to do, even अगर आप 15 मिनट कार्डियो करते थे तो बहुत जल्दी थक जाते थे, लेकिन after you have lost a lot of fats, now you can do the activities in a much more better manner. All the clothes that you bought a year ago वो अभी आपको फिट भी नहीं हो रहे हैं because वो इतने लूज हो चुके हैं. So now new problems to have in life is to buy new clothes, so that is good. So what after that, let's say that you came down from 75 to 65 and you are very happy with this new you. Okay, so how to maintain this thing? First, no need to be on a deficit anymore. Okay, start directly jump on to your maintenance calories. Let's say that अभी तक अगर आप 1500-1600 कैलोरीज खा रहे थे जहाँ पे आपका मेंटेनेंस था 2000 कैलोरीज, you can directly jump on to 2000 calories. Okay, this is just a hypothetical situation that I want to explain. Okay, once you feel that this is it, this is how I want to maintain myself. Okay, like a lot of actors do because they want to look the same throughout the year. A lot of TV serial actors, when they have this ongoing serial going on, so they have to look the same, okay, throughout the year. So let's say that you have reached 65, so you can directly jump onto your maintenance, add a few more calories, okay, and be there. और वो सारे calories में, let's say that your maintenance is 2000 calories. Okay, make sure that your protein intake is on point. At least try to eat 1.5 to 2 grams of protein per kg of your body weight, and the rest of the calories can come from your carbohydrates and fats. So that, or try to include all the foods that you want to eat, but make sure that they are whole foods. Okay, because we don't want to go back to that lifestyle again. Okay, now what happens during this maintenance phase is, a lot of people feel that अरे ये तो हो गया, yes, it's done, now my fat loss journey is done, now I can eat anything. No, if you start eating everything and anything that you see like how you used to do earlier, तो ये आपका पूरे साल का मेहनत वेस्ट हो जाएगा. Understand this thing, guys. Your bodies have a response. Whatever you eat, your body has the ability to metabolize. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. आपके बॉडी को सिर्फ कैलोरीज ही समझ आती है, like how a car understands petrol or diesel. If you eat 4000 calories again, like how you used to eat earlier, फिर से वही हो जाएगा. You will start putting on your weight again. So very smartly you have to go from a deficit, slightly and steadily go towards your maintenance and be there at maintenance. Enjoy the food, enjoy your workouts. Understand this thing, हर चीज़ का आंसर खाना नहीं है. Okay, because I was the same. I was a very, I used to binge eat a lot. I was an emotional eater. कुछ नहीं है, बोर हो रहा है, चलो कुछ खा लेते हैं. This has ruined so many lives because easy होता है. You are at home, you are watching a Netflix, you are watching a TV, and there's nothing to do. Your workout is done. Your friends are meeting you after an hour. You don't have any work to do as well. So चलो कुछ आने दो कुछ खा लेते हैं. Unnecessarily you start eating food. Okay, so this thing we have to stop. Okay, so moving on to the main topic, and that is, how do you need to maintain, is just increase a few calories. Okay, make sure that your protein intake is on point, add a few carbohydrates more if you would like to eat, because you have earned it over the period of time. अभी आपका टाटा नानो जो था वो अभी आपका फरारी हो चुका है. Now let's say that you started at baby weights of 2 kgs, 3 kgs, 5 kgs. अब वो करते 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 you have reached up to 25-30 kgs of the weights that you are lifting currently. So this is the thing that you have earned on your own. Okay, so यहाँ तक पहुँचने के बाद इसको संभालना बहुत बड़ा काम है. ओके, सो एन्जॉय दिस थिंग. इसको ऐसा मत लीजिए कि बहुत बड़ा बर्डन है. नो, यू कैन बाय द क्लोथ्स दैट यू ऑलवेज वांटेड टू. जहाँ पे आप फिट भी नहीं हो रहे थे, आज वो कपड़े आपको आना शुरू हो जाएंगे. वेयर देम. दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव अर्नड. गो फॉर दैट मैराथन. जो आप सोचते थे कि नहीं यार मेरा वजन बहुत ज़्यादा है, मैं नहीं भाग पाऊंगा या नहीं भाग पाऊंगी, यू कैन डू दैट नाउ. go for every that thing that you wanted to do but you didn't because you thought that कि मेरा वेट बहुत ज़्यादा है. Now मुझे बहुत डर लगता था व्हेन आई वाज 140 kgs. मुझे लगता था कि नहीं यार लोग हंसेंगे मुझे अगर मैं ट्रैक पे जाऊंगा तो. गो फॉर द ट्रैक्स. Absolutely, because this is something that you have earned, and understand this thing, guys. This is a lifestyle. It will keep on going. Okay, this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. ये हम भूल जाते हैं. स्प्रिंट नहीं है, 100 मीटर्स 400 मीटर्स का नहीं है ये रेस. ये मैराथन है, हमको भागते ही रहना है. दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू डू फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. लाइक हाउ अ कार नीड्स सर्विसिंग, same way your body needs activity. Okay, so jump on to your maintenance, eat good amount of proteins, keep yourself super active, and that is going to solve this. Thank you so much for listening to me so patiently. If you have any questions, I'm always there for you. Thank you.